Hi guys, welcome to our podcast Beyond the Routes. My name is Alina. I'm head of business development department in Speedflow, and today we will have the first conversation
This
with
year.
this year, yeah, exactly, this year with our CFO Nata Ellis. Nata is always very welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Alina. It's really a pleasure to talk to you, to travel with you. So it's a really amazing conversation with you, and I'm always, inspired after such
Just because we
moments.
have a good synergy. That's why.
100%, 100%, and it also especially have a good influence on our work. So
right.
this year really started really well for our company, and you know it even better than anyone else. And we plan a lot of trips this year. So our first is...
Exactly, because guys, today what we would like to discuss, like our plans, our focus for this year, how to make it more productive. The previous one was productive, but this one will be even more active. And our first stop today will be regarding conferences, because we are always telling, first, relations. Relations have the value. And after the relations, they're coming collaboration, margin, etc. And where you are making the relations? For sure, during conferences and expos time.
100%.
So let's discuss this first topic. Let me mention what conferences will be like our first three shoots. And after that, it would be interesting to know your opinion about each of them. So first one, Speedflow will attend Capacity in Dubai. Capacity Middle East in Dubai. It will be in February, and I guess that this podcast will be already on your screens after we return back.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So from our point of view, I mean from my and sales team, why this conference is important one, because Middle East is the main hub right now. I mean Dubai, Capacity Dubai is the main hub for Middle East, but not only for Middle East. We will have a very big focus for all our APAC region. Nata, what would you like to add regarding that?
Yeah, it's really true. And all the time we were in Dubai after the conference, we had amazing contracts, we had amazing post-conference results. And for sure, it will be our focus every year because it's the really hub, not only for telecom, but many industries. And I remember IT Expo Dubai, which we attended in 2021. It was amazing, also so inspiring and so on. And I see that many companies bring their telecom innovations there. Yeah, Barcelona also is amazing a place for such things. But Dubai is the place where people pre-discuss a lot of new things and a lot of new updates. So Dubai is always good for us, not only for meeting with Middle East and APAC partners, but also European and also Asian partners. So Asian partners who usually used to travel to US, now they travel more to our internal conferences, so European conferences and Middle East conferences, and it's for us it's amazing opportunity to see them more than once a year. So that's why we always focus on Dubai.
You're right. So good that you mentioned European partners, because our second conference of this year is GCCM London, and I guess that it's like the first hub of the year to discuss European business with European partners. So let us know a little bit more about that. Can you agree with me?
Yes, you're absolutely right in this matter. And indeed, not just only discussion with European partners, but also good productive meetings. And London is a really European hub. And also GCCM, they offer amazing connectivity and meetings and discussions and results. So they know how to arrange such events to make them really effective and really productive at the end for each coming company. So it's also our top.
Absolutely. Agree with you. And the third one, what I would like to discuss today, ITUW Washington 2026, because USA region is still one of our area of the interest, and we decided to focus for the conference in Washington, ITUW.
Yeah, I still remember our best Chicago times best ITW was in Chicago, it's true. And I do hope then one day it will be moved back to Chicago as soon as now it's back to Washington. It started from there. So maybe the next step will be Chicago. And it would be amazing also, but even Washington is a good place. In spite it's too big, in spite it's all together, IT, data, voice, SMS, all the people are together at one place, but also it's a good opportunity for different businesses for intra-business communication. So not only voice-to-voice, SMS to SMS, but also software deals, AI discussions, some discussions connected to future, to projects which are in the air but still are not discussed. So ITW is an amazing opportunity for any crazy idea, I would say, which can be converted then on the next events or within the half of the year to real business, which you even didn't imagine that you might have before ITW.
It's very interesting opinion. It's very interesting one, because before previously ITW was the biggest event, but actually, Santiago and his conference in Madrid stole my heart. It's
not only yours.
It's one of the best conferences
today.
But
yes,
yeah, because of previous years, ITW is still one of the main conferences, and I would like that guys can return back their glory, how they were making it previously. So yeah, it's very interesting opinion. And by the way, will we mention Berlin and Madrid, or it will be for the next episode?
Oh, let's keep intrigue.
Deal. Let me know, because we saw with you yesterday that this year we don't have any trips where we are going together.
But who knows? Maybe second half of the year we will
change. We are always adding something,
yes.
Always. So yeah, it's true. So let me know when we're going together somewhere. What is the best there? What is the best goal for such trips?
Oh, for sure. First, we return back with many new ideas, always. And we implement them together. And, we are similar in food, addictions.
100%.
100%. So it's amazing. And we have the same vision on the business development. So
you're right.
We always
fresh ideas, the best. This is the best.
And you are the one who stopped me when I am too high in the sky.
But in other stuff, guys, we're returning not only with good ideas, we're returning with very big luggage with new clothes.
Yeah, because they always lose our luggage and we have to buy the new one.
True. Some new journey. You're right. Yeah. It's so
I remember
funny.
PTC, Zanzibar, always new stuff.
Always something new. Yeah, they can. You can forget your luggage. You can steal your luggage. There can be different types of issues, but they're always.
But at the end,
good.
It always returned back.
Yeah,
always.
Yeah, true.
Yes.
And I told
so our suitcases don't know the way back home.
Yeah. And I mentioned you can steal your luggage. Not you can steal your luggage. Somebody just can forget about your luggage. Yeah. So yeah.
And every time we take everything in hand luggage, the baggage arrive in time.
True. So true. Yeah, it's very.
So next time
moment.
we travel with luggage, with suitcases, and with hand luggage.
We don't have any other choice.
Yes.
It's very interesting that step by step we are coming to the second question, because you mentioned AI. And in case we are discussing AI tools, I'm still a little bit skeptical how it's going with the development of AI all over the world. But you were always closer to innovations and you know how to implement them. So let me know your vision of AI, and especially in case we can implement it to our work, to voice part.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of automation. I used to talk about it in 2001, 2002 when the industry just started to develop. And we created EquiCore, our automation system, with many prediction things. So with good analysis of traffic, with good analysis of sales, payment calendars, and so on. So many things were created a long time ago. But today, with the new opportunities, new AI stuff, we can not just predict something, but we can change it immediately in the air. So, for example, first and initial things, email. So we are training system now to check emails, to reply emails, to create emails, and to create profile of the partner, to know how to reply to each single partner. So to make it individual, to make it really creative, not just the machine reply, thanks, accepted, noted, and so on. No, to make it human.
This is what actually I'm afraid of.
Yes,
exactly.
Yes, because no, technical support won't disappear, but people will be able to do really intelligent work while mechanical work is done by the system. Same with MediaCore. We just discussed in the morning 3 options to test because you should always have a choice to find the best one, and to implement also in MediaCore analysis, routing, and many things according to traffic profile, according needs of the customer, retail, CC, wholesale, TDM, CLI, all kind of customers, traffic, and routes. They need small individual tuning, and this tuning can be done automatically by AI, by machine learning also, neuron system. So a lot of tools today gives you opportunity to develop your business without adding more people for routine work, and it's amazing. It's even better than automation because the system is learning and it starts to offer you variants, and you make decision, and then you study system to make decision. And at the end, you save your time for new project, new ideas, new creative things, and communication with your partners face to face while AI is working for you. So that's the main idea in our current business and in MediaCore system. So to make it absolutely effective.
Sounds interesting, right? Sounds interesting. And also I would like to mention the third type of question that we would like to discuss today. So regarding our main focus for the development, because no need to tell that we are strong in CC, especially thanks for MediaCore. Thanks to MediaCore. And let's not forget that we are still strong for TDM. But we have some other plans. I know that our focus will be a little bit another one because we were discussing it a few times with you and Max. So
yeah, true. We now focus a lot on CLI traffic, on our retail customers or on our end users, which we managed to develop within these 25 years on the market. By this year, by the way, I will celebrate this year 25 years in the market. Wow. So half of my life.
Sounds amazing, right?
Yeah. So within these 25 years, we really develop a lot of retail customers, and we value them. For them, it's a really hard time now because to keep retail traffic, to keep the focus of their customers, it's not so easy. And we do support them. We work with them. We work individually with all of them. And we will keep working with them thanks to our direct contracts with main telecoms, where we can offer really stable direct routes for A to Z almost. So here we again turn back with the full support to our retail users, retail customers. And as you really said, MediaCore helps us to keep all our CC traffic as the something really stable and usual. So all the peaks, all the tension of calls, we keep it like normal. And for us, it's like, yeah, it's fine. System works perfectly. So it's a really good time now to focus on the ones who brings the most stable traffic and who is really in need now of the full support not to disappear from the market, because from one side, AI is a very good thing. From another side, AI will do a lot of calls in the nearest future instead of people, instead of call centers. And maybe within 5-10 years, we will have only automated systems, like one computer and a few internet lines for stability, and that's it. No people, just the voice which were generated by someone. So until still these retail companies, these retail users exist, we will try our best to support them and to work with them directly as much as we can.
Yeah, you're always reminding me that you like fantastic books.
Yes.
You're always reminding
and that's why I want to stay human as long as possible.
You're right. But again, I agree with you. Because if we speak about CLI level, and again, thanks to our software, not only software, EQCore as well, because we have these opportunities, this possibility to pay our attention to this field, CLI field, because it's still one of the main base, CLI deal or retail traffic. It's like such a regular, very good base for the business. And after that, for sure, you're adding TDM, CC, and in case you don't need to put the main attention there, because of your perfect system, it can bring you only bonuses.
I prefer to speak to people, and when we do conference call, I always ask about the video, because we started to travel less after the COVID, and since COVID time, we started a lot of conference calls face-to-face, and it works amazingly. So yeah, I do my best, because I'm in the core of automation all my life, and I do my best to stay human, to keep this human connect, and to talk to people personally as much as possible where it's possible.
Because we're still not only humans, we're still open, transparent human company.
Absolutely.
This is the main. This is the main. So yep, it was very nice talk, and I hope that you will enjoy it. And probably
see you again soon.
No, I guess that as it's the beginning of February, probably it would be good just to tell something to our Chinese partners.
By the way, yes, in a week they will celebrate, even less. They will celebrate the New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I wish you all the best. 2 weeks of festive time, celebrations, and all your dreams to come true. It's the most important in this life, and a lot of love.
Guys, thank you for your attention. Stay connected and keep talking smart. See you soon.